Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You begin by confirming your system supports the customization tools and collecting visual assets. Install Rainmeter and Wallpaper Engine now. They control widgets and animated backgrounds. Make sure you have high-resolution wallpaper files and any custom fonts ready in a folder. Once done, create a restore point so you can roll back settings if necessary. Move step by step. Install tools, import skins or packages, and test a simple wallpaper change before proceeding to layout and widget placement. Next, you build the visual structure by establishing a grid and placing elements with purpose. Use a 16:9 guide for balance and snap widgets to quarters or thirds. Configure Rainmeter skins for clocks, CPU/RAM readouts, and quick launch icons. Tweak positions and refresh intervals so updates are smooth. Apply a consistent font and a limited color palette to unify the look. Add subtle motion, parallax, or slow blur, so the lock screen feels alive without distracting from readability. Finally, you polish and lock the design into place. Export your theme and settings so you can reapply them after updates. Set the OS lock screen to use the final wallpaper and ensure any dynamic elements are disabled there if they conflict with security or performance. Test on multiple resolutions and scale settings. If things go wrong, check permissions for startup apps, adjust scaling or DPI, and disable heavy GPU effects. That single troubleshooting step resolves most lock screen problems quickly.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.